Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have the Bombay and Cedar beauty box, so let's get into it, see what's in here. Opening this box now for a couple of months. I don't always get the exact month that we're in, but I still love opening it and showing it to you guys because I have to tell you, I have been super impressed. The first one I got had that base blue Vermeer palette in it, and ever since then, I've kind of been won over. They seem to do, and I hate to say this right before I open it because what if I'm wrong, but they seem to do things that we're not seeing in every box. I always feel like it's more than the value's worth. This box is sent to me free for review. It is $34.95 if you sign up monthly. If you sign up for a more extended time frame, of course, it drops the price. I will put the link and my code, which is Kathrin10 below, and that will get you 10 off your first purchase. And it comes in a bag each month. The box will have a value of over $120 for your $34.95 or even less if you buy it for an extended time. It is chocked so full, I almost can't get it out of the bag. Let me put my glasses on and make sure there's nothing else important that I needed to tell you. 5 to 6 full size and deluxe products, a retail value of over $120, a mix of indie as well as well-known. It features cruelty-free products, and if you order by the 10th of the month, you will get the current month. Okay, let's just dig right in. First off, we have a Nuria Hydrate Hydrator Refreshing Micellar Water with chamomile and sage. Interesting. We have had this brand before. We've had some because of my own sensitivities and allergies, some that I can use and some that I cannot. So I will show you this and then I will look and see if it's something I can use. That is what it looks like. This is a big bottle, but it's micellar water, so that makes sense. Oh, here's the paperwork. I just skipped right into the bag. Like, let's just start talking about this stuff. This was the April bag. I just received this not too long ago, but it was the April bag. I think with the PR, sometimes they send us the products that they still have, which I think is really fair. I would rather that than have it sitting on a shelf going bad because it's less waste. Not to mention, most of the time, I don't get a box by the 10th to get it taped and edited and up before you could get that month's box anyway. So even if I had gotten the May box, because I'm taping this at the end of May, you wouldn't be able to get that now anyway. Anyway, suffice it to say, this is the April box, and you would have either gotten, because there are variations, you would either have gotten this Refreshing Micellar Water by Nuria with a $26 value, or a facial scrub by Professor Herb. I've had some of his stuff recently and I like it, and it is a $25 value. This cleansing water soothes and moisturizes with cooling aloe leaf juice while it effortlessly removes makeup. That is a good place to start. And next out, I have a Nars Bubble Burst Serum. You can tell it more in the back. That is what it looks like. And it says it is a sweet surge of hydration featuring a rose water and triple hyaluronic acid. You could have also received the Anon's Hydrating Essence that had a $13 value, or the Essential Day Cream by Real Chemistry with a $15 value. Put a little bit on the back of my hand. Yeah, you can see the little drops in it. That is so cool looking. That is what it looks like on the back of my hand. Oh, it's very thick. Oh, I can feel the little bubbles bursting. It just smells really clean and nice. I wouldn't call it citrusy or floral. It's just got a kind of nice lotion scent. So I'm going to have to get online and read more about when it is I'm supposed to use that. See if technically I can use the ingredients. But see what I mean? I like that there are some indie brands and it's things that we're not receiving in every single box. Next out, I have, ooh, what is this? It is Canelli Soothing Botanicals. Ooh, it's a facial steam. That's fun. I really enjoy these in the winter, especially. I mean, I'll use them in the summer, but in the winter when you're really dry, just to steam with an old-fashioned towel over your face. My face loves moisture any way it can get it. You could have received this or a 3-minute peel. So yay for me, I got this because we all know I can't use a peel. The peel had a $30 value. This has a $32 value. Wow. It says, this soothing blend of botanical ingredients is designed to help improve your skin's health, while the steam opens up pores and encourages cell turnover. The total value of this box, by the way, it says ranges from $121 to $143. Oh, so that is what it looks like on the inside. Oh, it smells like chamomile. This, I can't drink chamomile tea because it gives me an upset stomach. I'm sure this will not give me an upset stomach, but it smells just like a tea. This just smells like a tea. That is really, really cool. I am anxious to try that. Next out, we have a Laritzy Merlot gel liner. Well, Merlot makes me think that it's probably going to be for my lips. Let's hope. You know what? I was just going to say, I don't think I'm putting Merlot on my eyes, but that might not be true. You never know. So when we take it out, you can see that is the color. Ooh, that is beautiful. Let's see where I'm putting this. It says delivers an intense color for long-lasting appearance. $18. Okay, well, I'm gonna make my own assumptions that because of the color, it's for my lips, not my eyes. You could have gotten a lip conditioner by Anons that had a $12 value, or a brow powder with a $28 value. I've made a few videos, now I'm just being silly. So I made some lips with my nice lip liner. So funny. Getting a little slap happy now. Those are so cute. I like that color a lot. I mean, it goes almost perfectly with the, almost perfectly with the lip color I have on. So that works amazing. I will leave it up here because this is the color that I almost always wear these days when I do my videos. It's been a while since I did my lips, so I just slapped on a little more color. And last out of the bag, we have something wrapped in bubble wrap. All right, this is the Canelli Botanicals Elixir Facial Oil. Well, it says, reap the benefits of this restorative lightweight skin elixir. Botanical and plant-based ingredients promote skin hydration while reducing dryness in a breeze. $42 value. All right, I managed to get one tiny little drop right there. I hope you can see it. I give us an idea of how it smells and how it absorbs. Oh, it's nice. Lavender. I smell lavender. And I think it was like one of the last ingredients, but it is still what I smell. So nothing else in here must have had a huge scent family, because that does smell like lavender. All right, so that's what the April Bombay and Cedar beauty box was. Let me know below what you think. We received the Nuria Micellar water, Canelli Soothing Botanicals, we have to put it on its side, facial steam, which will be really nice. The same brand Canelli facial oil, the Laritzy Merlot lip liner that I just put on, and this, what was this, Nars? Yes, Nars Bubble Burst Serum. I'm gonna have to do more reading about that. So that was this box, but the Bombay and Cedar beauty boxes are $34.95. I will put a code down below that will get you 10% off your first box, Kathrin 10, and the link if you have any interest. Thank you so much for coming by. Thanks to Bombay and Cedar for sending this out, and I will see you again really soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. Take care, guys.